Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we are going to interview someone willing to share his knowledge about the significance of collecting and recycling refrigerant in order to protect the environment. Thank you for your time to get interviewed. Would you first briefly describe refrigerant and its function in a refrigeration system?
Indeed, Zulfadhli, materials that absorb and transport heat are called refrigerants in cooling systems in order to develop and sustain colder conditions for a variety of purposes, including air conditioning and refrigeration. They are essential to the refrigeration cycle.
Thank you for that explanation. Let's now turn our attention to the VCR system or variable capacity refrigeration. What distinguishes this technology from conventional system and how does it operate?
Variable capacity refrigeration or VCR system, also known as variable capacity compressor, adapt their cooling capacity based on demand by using compressor that operate at variable speeds. This results in precise matching of the cooling load and significant energy savings, up to 40% along with a reduction in noise levels by an average of 5 dB compared to traditional fixed capacity system. VCR technology offers increased energy efficiency and a quieter operation. Engineers can benefit from VCR technology as a practical guide for designing refrigeration system with a focus on energy saving and noise reduction. Additionally, incorporating dedicated mechanical sub-cooling can further enhance the system's performance, leading to reduced carbon dioxide emission and improve overall efficiency.
Interesting. Therefore, it is common knowledge that there are several kinds of VCR system, including automobile air conditioning, commercial chillers, household air conditioner, and domestic refrigerators. In your perspective, what type of VCR system is the easiest for people to operate and comprehend?
For me, the domestic refrigerator is the most popular VCR system among people nowadays. It is because a domestic refrigerator is a home appliance designed to store food and drink. It operates using a closed system that releases on refrigerant traveling in coil throughout the fridge. The refrigerant spread hot and cold air by absorb the heat and carry it away from the refrigerator content. The refrigerant vapor is compressed and then released at higher pressure when the compressor is turned on, allowing it to exchange heat with the entering room air. Through this procedure, the refrigerator inside is cooled to a temperature lower than room temperature. When the air temperature in the fresh food section of the refrigerator rise above a predetermined level, the thermostat alerts the control board. The refrigerator system operates more efficiently when its electrical part, which include electric motor, heater, and internal illumination, function together. The refrigerator uses electricity to cool its content.
Alright, for the next question, problem can occasionally arise with the VCR system. One such is the emission of refrigerant. How may refrigerant emission in the system happen?
Refrigerant Emission in VCR system can happen due to refrigerant leakage. Refrigerant leakage can cause a reduction in the efficiency of the system. Leakage can occur for various reasons such as improper installation, collision, or damage to the refrigerant lines. The refrigerant leakage can cause direct emission, which are related to the refrigerant itself, and indirect emission, which are associated with producing electrical or mechanical energy for the compressor supply. Leakage of refrigerant can also contribute to the emission of greenhouse gases.
I understand that, but what about the other issue raised, such as incorrect installation, corrosion, or danger to the cooling line? Can you explain a little about the issue?
Yes, sure. Problems resulting from incorrect installation, rust, and cooling line damage may have serious repercussions. Refrigerant leaks into improperly installed system can reduce efficiency and could result in emission. Refrigerant pipe corrosion over time can result in leaks and emission that are linked to chemical reaction with the surrounding. Physical damage such as cooling line breaks or punctures can lead to emissions, and refrigerant leak from a variety of sources, including mechanical stress, the environment, and unintentional impact. Maintaining the integrity and effectiveness of refrigeration system require addressing this issue.
I see. Thank you for your explanation.
The greatest method to prevent this is to recover and recycle the refrigerant, which brings us to our final question. How important is recovering and recycling refrigerant?
Environmental sustainability is a top priority in our approach to refrigerant management. By recovering and recycling refrigerants, we actively reduce greenhouse gas emission and contribute to preserving the ozone layer. Our commitment to resource efficiency is evident in our practice of recycling and reclaiming refrigerants, minimizing the need of new manufacturing, and subsequently lowering energy consumption and associated emission. This not only aligns with our environmental goals, but also make good business sense by providing cost-effective solution. But opting for reclaiming refrigerant not only decrease our carbon footprint, but also offer significant cost saving as we avoid the procurement expense associated with new refrigerant. Furthermore, employing recycled refrigerant is essential for guaranteeing ethical and sustainable activities by avoiding negative effect on systems and the environment. We recognize how important it is to follow local guidelines for the recovery and safe management of refrigerants. Thus, compliance with legislation is something we must uphold. Meeting legal requirement is only one aspect of it. Another is a dedication to ethical corporate conduct and environmental care.
That final question brings us to the end of our discussion of VCR system today. In sum up, refrigerant is a key component of a cooling system, and system that use variable capacity cooling have higher energy efficiency and quieter operation. R134A is used as a refrigerant in domestic refrigerators, such as the famous VCR system, to effectively transfer heat and maintain a cool environment. However, refrigerant leaks can reduce system performance and increase greenhouse gas emissions. It may draw attention to how important proper installation and maintenance are to reduce the impact on the environment. We appreciate our spokesman taking the time to respond to the question we asked today. Thank you for your collaboration, and I hope to see you again.